Let me show you what I've been working on today. I've been working on this cool activewear collection. We have different pieces, one piece bodysuit, jackets, and a few mix and match. The colors are wonderful. There's minimalist color, like neutral but blended colors and two tones with a little touch up of red color, but you can change this to anything else. All these files will be available on my website. Look at that, how cool that is. Joggers and hoodies and mix and match and onesies. These are really, really pretty. So all you have to do, go to fashiontechpacks.com, go down to the bundles. I will go to all products, tech pack templates, all bundles. I will go to bundles because that's where I add all the products I work on every day. I create this on a day-to-day basis, so you don't have to. All you have to do, go to my website, download the file. You have a tech pack template in every file. So all you have to do, once you download it, you go back to Adobe Illustrator and you can create your own tech pack template. Select the design. You can scale it up and down. I would place only the front and back flat sketch. So this template you can use on anything. It doesn't have to be on a, I use the same tech pack template on basically anything, on jackets, on onesies, on leggings. So I select the front and I describe the front elements. Normally I have a page for the front and I have another page for the back. So every element here I will illustrate if it's V-waist, if it's leggings, if it's fitted, if we have any built-in bra or anything you might have in here in this design. You want to explain it to the factory. So I explain every stitch. I explain if we have any gusset or if we have anything that creates your garment. I explain it here. So it's very easy also, as long as you follow every page. That's the fabric specs. You can add any fabric you want, or you can look up online to your competitors, colors. You can add spec sheets, sizing, labels, and so as long as you follow every page, this will be so easy for you to fill it out. All you have to do, download the sketches, recreate the sketches, and create your own colors, create your own bundles, your own collection. Play with these designs and you'll have so much fun, I guarantee you.